Mr. Garcia here, and I'm back with another instructional video on how to multiply using the area model strategy. Now, the area model strategy is intended for our 3rd to 4th graders. Before, when you guys were in 2nd grade, 3rd grade, you were learning how to multiply 5 times 3, little numbers, the one digit by one digit. But now it is time for the big stuff, okay? You guys were using little snakes and sparklers to multiply, but now it's time for the big stuff.
Well, I see you got them snakes and sparklers, but where's good stuff, man?
Good stuff. This is the good stuff. Snakes and sparklers.
Are you nuts, dude? You need stuff to explode. Go boom.
We need the illegal fireworks. And here are the double-digit multiplication that we're gonna learn today. I'm gonna break it down for you step by step so you know what to do, okay? It is not hard. I'll show you how it's done right here, right now.
Right here, right now, right here.
Right now. All right, so our first step that we need to do when using the area model strategy, when you have a double-digit multiplication, your step 1 is going to just be put the numbers in expanded form. Now, you've been putting numbers in expanded form since the 2nd grade, so you should know how to do this. Shouldn't be hard at all. So let's go ahead and put these numbers in expanded form. That's going to be our step 1, okay? I always like to draw the little carrots, and let's do this. So we're going to put we know that the 4 is really a 4t because it's in the tens place. And we know the 10 is really a 10 because it is in the tens place. Perfect. Now let's multiply our ones, huns. Let's see here. So we know the 2 is just a regular 2. And we know the 4 is just a regular 4. That kind of looks like a Z. All right, so that is our step 1. We put them in expanded form. All right, now our step 2, the fan favorite, what everybody likes to do. Our step 2 is going to draw out our area where we're gonna be multiplying these at. So I like to draw a giant square usually. A square will just work. So if you guys remember what a square is, I hope you do. If you don't remember what a square is, we might have to send you back to kindergarten.
A square is a 4-sided shape with 4 right angles and 4 equal sides. So you can spin it like a top, and when it stops, it's gonna look the same.
All right, so there is our area model that we're gonna be working with. All right, and since we have 2 digits, it's a 2-digit multiplication, 2 and 2, 2 and 2, 1, 2, 1, 2. Let's cut it in.
Cut it, cut it, cut it, cut it, cut it, cut it.
Into 4 pieces. Just like that. Perfect. All right, we just did our step 2. Well, let's recap. We did our step 1, which was put the numbers in expanded form, okay? Our step 2, we drew our little area model. And we drew 4 boxes because we have 4 parts. 1, 2, 3, 4. 2 and 2, okay? 2 and 2. All right, now your step 3 is going to place our expanded form numbers on the outside. Now, if you don't know what I mean, pay attention right here so I can show you, okay? So let's place our expanded form numbers on the outside. So the 40 plus 2, let's just put those guys right here. 40 on top of this box and 2 on top of this box. So the 40 and the 2 will go here. And then now let's put the 10 and the 4 on this side here. So we'll put the 10 on this side and the 4 right here. Boom. So now we placed our expanded form 42 and our expanded form 14 on the outsides of this area model, okay? And now they're gonna join forces and they're gonna create some bigger numbers. Are you guys ready? I always like to tell my students to put the little multiplication sign there so that way they don't forget when they are multiplying. All right, let's do this and let's see what we get. So now we're gonna multiply 10 times this 40, so 10 times this 40, and we're gonna put the answer in this box right here. It's that simple, okay? Now, if you are like me and my students and you know the zeros trick, then this problem just became that much easier. So let me show you the zeros quick. Pay attention right here. I can't give you all my secrets, but I gotta give you some secrets today. So 4 times 1 is 4. And the zeros trick I was talking about, look, we got 1 0 here and 1 0 here. That's 2 zeros. Bam! Like that. Quick, easy, boom. All right, and now we go to our next problem here. We have 40 times 4. Again, let's use the zeros trick.
It's tricky.
So what is 4 times 4? That is 16. And we know the zeros trick. Add your 0 and bam! Easy. All right, let's keep it rolling here. Now we got our ones placed and let's keep it going. So we're gonna multiply this 2 times this 10 and we get, so 1 times 2 is 2 and add your 0, boom, 20. Or maybe you guys know 10 times 2 is 20. And the next one you guys have been learning since the 2nd grade, 4 times 2 is 8. And it's all great. Okay, perfect. So there I put my answers in our area model. And now all we're gonna do is add all these up. We're gonna add all these partial products together and we will find our answer. Let's see what we got here. So I like to add these up together because I noticed that they're both the same. They both have hundreds. So let's add these together. So luckily I wasn't sloppy jalopy with my work here. I was clean and everything lines up good. So let's add them together. So 0 plus 0 is just a big fat 0. 6 plus 0 is 6. 4 plus 1 is 5. Perfect. Now let's add up this side. I'll put a little plus sign so we don't forget to add this together. 0 plus 8 is 8. 2 plus nothing is 2. So now we have 260 plus 28. Add those together and you get 588. Woo, perfect. And there is our answer. We added these two together and we got 588. Now, just in case you didn't see that, Mr. Garcia, what did I do? What did you do? So 560 plus 28. And we got 8 plus 0 is 8. 6 plus 2, 8. And 5 plus nothing is 5. Boom, 588. And life is great. Perfect. There is your answer, and that is how you do the area model strategy.